Hello guys, how are you? What's up today? Let's mix lava cake or chocolate molten. It has many names. This is the best and taste completely different because we added 1 gram of cardamom and enhances the flavor. You cannot believe it. This after 8 minutes outside the oven, you can see just fondue. Let's start and make together the most delicious chocolate molten or lava cake or molten cake, whatever you name it, guys. And very easy recipe, simple steps, and wonderful, very wonderful aroma, taste, flavor, you name it. Just follow my instruction. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I am pastry champion of Africa 2011. Also working cruise line and have many idea about all dessert. You can do it on board. Let's start with the recipe. 100 gram chocolate, 55% or 64 as you like. 100 gram butter, 100 gram sugar, 2 whole eggs, 65 gram flour, and later on we added 1 gram cardamom. The very important steps, if you have paper cup or aluminum cup, even porcelain, you must bend with soft butter, then as you see deepen flour and shake out, take the extra flour. So this is how to do the mold, because this make so easy to remove lava cake after cooking. We added 2 eggs, 100 gram of sugar, already chocolate with butter we melted in the microwave, and then 1 gram of cardamom, and then 1 gram of vanilla sugar. If you have vanilla extract, go ahead, but I use vanilla sugar. It's very simple recipe and very easy. This way together I put in microwave for 30 seconds until it's melted. Very important to mix the sugar and whole eggs together and to be fluffy. Then we added the liquid butter and chocolate. Then we added the mixed little bit. Yeah, you have to remove everything because the chocolate is so delicious. Just mix, and then we added the flour. So the whole concept is to put the liquid on the egg and sugar. You don't need machine, you just melt it all by hand. In 3 minutes you have amazing lava cake or molten cake or chocolate molten or fondue. Some people call it chocolate fondue. Now is ready. I pour the quantity in the mold, paper mold or aluminium. whatever you have. I just put 2/3 of the malt. I shake it to take the bubbles out. I leave 1 centi empty. This quantity makes 7 small portions. I will bake only 3 portions. The rest I keep in the freezer. When I want, I just bake it laminate. Very important, 220 centigrade for 7 to 8 minutes. Very important, the temperature. 220 centigrade from 7 to 8 minutes, not more than this, and you have fantastic lava cake. Just remove. Takes little color because I have to put silver sheet underneath. This after 7 minutes, you can see fantastic simple recipe, and